Bentonite can be used as waterproof material, such as bentonite waterproof blanket, bentonite waterproof board, and its supporting materials. Laying by mechanical fixing method. The production line equipment of bentonite ball press is a complete set of equipment for making balls from raw materials. It reduces the technical requirements for operators and the number of workers, effectively reduces the need for manpower in the late production period, reduces the production cost, and improves the market competitiveness of the enterprise in the occupation. The following to introduce the bentonite ball press production line. 4 advantages: a high degree of initiative, reduce the intensity of work, the secondary production capacity is large, can meet the production needs of large mineral powder enterprises. 3 bentonite ball pressing production line can realize continuous operation to meet the needs of enterprises' uninterrupted operation. 4 bentonite ball production line function is reliable, stable, equipment maintenance and maintenance is simple and convenient, so that customers worry, save effort,